Make sure to check out my channel for more videos just like this. What's going on, people? It's your boy MrBucketlist, and here we are doing another solo studio room tour on the Norwegian Breakaway. Now, a quick FYI, this has the same exact layout as the Norwegian Epic, so if you saw that video, it is going to be similar. Now, starting off, of course, we have your little window to the left of your bed or the right, just depending on what side of the ship you're on. With that said, this time around, the only difference really goes for the actual blinds. So on the Breakaway, you have actual blinds versus the Norwegian Epic. The blinds were inside the window, so you really couldn't touch it. So that's the only difference I know of. You can still control it with the little slide on the side. Now, under the bed, you also have a good amount of storage. I didn't show this last time around, but it's a lot of storage under the bed. So if you want to put all your luggage down there, it's quick and easy. And then back here, again, you got your reading materials and your reading lights as well. And then beside that, you have your room service menu and your phone, your dialer, all that stuff. So any numbers you need to call will be there for you. You also have a little ottoman you can use for storage or to sit on. Now, this is your first closet over here. Pretty good space for a solo traveler. And then you also have a safe inside as well. They don't charge you additional for the safe. I know some hotels do, but they don't charge you additional for it. And it's pretty easy to set up. And then beside that, of course, you have your TV, which I believe is either a 28 or 32-inch TV. It's a decent size. I think it's 28. And then above that, you have some more storage as well. And then you get your little, of course, drinks and stuff they try to sell you. And then I got an included bottle of champagne because I'm a frequent cruiser. And then right here you have your second closet and storage area as well. And like I said, it's not bad for a solo traveler. It's plenty of room. There's me, your boy MrBucketlist. And then under the sink you have even more storage if you need it. Even more storage. You got a hair blower if you have that type of hair, we need to dry it with that. You got a little trash can as well. And then you got these little cubbies. And so, I mean, these are really useful. And here's your outlets. And so you have basically, just like the Norwegian Epic, you have, I believe it's 3 at the top, and then it's 2 that's European that can be converted to American. And then you have a little plug for your hair dryer. But as far as the cubbies, you have 3 different cubbies as well. And then right here you have your shower. And so, I mean, as far as the shower itself, it's a decent size. You can only stand in it. There's no tub or nothing, but not bad. And then you have a full-size mirror as well. And then back to the bathroom. So this one does have a separate door. I know people in the Norwegian Epic didn't like the shared bathroom thing, but this one has a separate door for solo cruisers. Again, just like before, it's still a tight squeeze, and so your knee will hit it like mine is doing right now. So I just suggest to keep the door open if you want to sit down. And then that's pretty much it. Now, the one thing I will mention is on the Norwegian Epic, and I'll put it in the video, you can change the colors of the lighting, but on this one, I just could not figure out how to do it. So I just didn't. I just kept it white the whole time. But that's pretty much your room right there. Like I said, it's pretty much all that you need for a solo cruiser. And then this is just a quick pan to show you the full surrounding area. And the bed size is a full-size bed. So, I mean, it's decent for one person or 2 if you have somebody. But that's pretty much it. Now, next, what I'll do is I'll be taking you all to the actual solo studio lounge, which is half the size of the Norwegian Epic, but still the same amenities. Now, the Solos Lounge is open to any solo cruiser, regardless of what type of room you have, but you do need a key card to actually get inside. So what we did was we just left it propped open so people can easily get in. Alright, so what I'll do is I'll just take you kind of in like a little circle around the actual area. So you have a TV over here that has all your events and everything like that, or actual shows, just depending on who's in there. Then you have your wine station. So if you have the alcohol package, you can just come and fill up your wine and just kind of be on your way. And then of course you have your bartender area. I'll check that out in a bit. But this is your Solos Travelers board. So literally everything you're going to be doing is going to be posted here. They literally give you a list of things you can either do with the Solos program, or you can do your own thing. So that'll always be there for you. And then around that area as well, there's like a little sitting area. So if you want to sit and talk and just chill. And then you have food areas. So they have cake and muffins in the morning and water, coffee. So literally everything you would need is right there at the Solos Lounge. Now you'll see a lot of families and stuff trying to come in there because they don't have that in their actual rooms, but it's only for solos. So just kind of keep that in mind. And this is your personal bartender area. I'll do a quick edit to show you all, but the bartender we had was actually really, really cool. I gave him a nice, really good tip. He took care of us. He literally would load you up with anything. And that's me. And as you can see, it's also 2 levels as well. So I'll take a quick walk upstairs, but that's pretty much it. It is half the size of the Norwegian Epic, but it also has half the rooms of the Norwegian Epic, so that makes sense. Now, as we walk upstairs, like I said, it's literally just seating area up here, and I think a TV or something. I didn't come up here much because I didn't need to, but this is the upstairs view as well. So like I said, it's pretty loaded little area. This place does get pretty busy. I mean, there was literally only standing room once we actually had the solo events pop off. There was about maybe 70 or 80 of us in this area. So, I mean, between the second and the first floor, it was pretty packed. And this is the bartender I was talking about. So I'm a fan of Grey Goose, and so he literally made me a quadruple Grey Goose something, and he had a Cosmo for one of my friends. And so, like I said, he was really cool, really cool. And then this is our cruise director, our private cruise director for the Solos program, Lester. As you can see, yes, it is some older people in there. Again, like usual, I was one of the youngest people there, but still, everyone was having a good time. And then Lester decided to use my phone and take a selfie of everybody. So just to quickly wrap things up, yes, like I said, I was one of the youngest people around, but again, it's solo cruising is literally for any age. So if you feel like taking a trip by yourself and having a great time, do it. I did meet younger people, and you all will see it in my other videos as well. So I mean, it's really for any age, but it's just an amazing time. Now with this crazy virus going on, I mean, who knows when cruising is going to start back up? But thankfully, I was able to enjoy my cruise. So you all make sure to keep to the channel for more videos. I'm going to have a lot more coming up. And again, thank you for my current and future subscribers. I love you all so much. See you soon. Peace. Thanks for watching the video. If you like what you saw, please check out my channel for more videos just like this. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Until then, I'll see you next time. Peace.